don't let my P.O. know. Bad white, super thick, I'm iced tea, she cocoa. She got another, your mother, her ass fat, face so. No paper trail, no phone call, no emails, no photo. Jet back shot, that fat butt, low blow, head butts in slow-mo. Hey, purple lady, polo, running cool, that's all I do. Man, I strive to roll my deal, I'm in the new Margiela shoe. Man, we be cool and we just parlay. Oh, margarita, Molly, and it's coming back around. Up and shot, they out,
what?
I want to get the sound of the fireworks. So pretty.
How you like that? New York, New Jersey. Shout to TeamBlackShynazEnt. She know I'm rough, she know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is the police. When I get up on it, angels calling us. See the sunrise being and when I'm in the lane, I make the body slide, I make the say like a cop cow.
Oh, you look so sexy.
Lady, what's your number? She said 911. Head doctor, perform surgery on me. Yeah, and that's my key. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels.
At the end of the video, it goes all out. It's crazy.
That's what I'm waiting for. I only like the end. That's really pretty though. I love that one.
I know you wish your name was Mrs. Cold, when I get up on you, the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise. I make the body sing.
That looks sick.
If you got to whip outside right now, and you really about that life, put your keys in the air right now. When I'm riding in that Lambo, assault rifles in the back like Rambo. Riding in that Lambo, assault rifles in the back like Rambo.
Do you think people on the plane can see this? That is so cool.
They're probably scared out of their mind.
No, they know what it is, but that was so cool.
But imagine like the people that's like so scared to fly in a plane.
I'm sure they can't hear it. There's no way they can hear it.
No, but not hearing it. But I mean, like, what if you the people that's so scared of flying and they see stuff like this? Like, oh my God, we're gonna die.
That's loud.
That shit sound like I'm freaking.
Come on, get pregnant stuff.
You had that shit hit a while ago? It's like an assault rifle. That sounds like a 9mm right there. That big one sounds like an assault rifle. It's like a 9mm right there. Bop, bop.
I love how we thought we missed it, but we didn't.
Alright.
We were like right on time.
Yeah, this song is hot.
Oh, how pretty. Babe, look how pretty.
You like that, New York? Don't forget we been to Harris Pool Party back in Jenny Fox, Mary J. Blige. Ciroc boy, you see me.
Okay, Lamborghini and Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in there to sit.
We at Vintage Smack. We take it out.
Music video tonight.
Oh, I felt so bad. Oh my God, I'm kind of scared. That's a great ending note for this video. That was really nice.
That was crazy. It was my sexy life. Probably can't see her. It's probably dark as hell.
But I'm beautiful anyway, so it doesn't matter.
It's prime
So
time, my
cocky.
top back, this pimp game. I'm
Say
red
hello to
leather, this
BlackShynazEnt.
cocaine, I'm Rick
Hello,
James.
Black
I'm
Chynaz.
Bill dropping this pimp, man, this pill popping.
What's your
I'm
name?
popping too, these blue dogs
corner.
and two coffins. Want some heel money,
Right.
needed some beef.
That's wifey right
This
there.
time, he counts it out, I weighs it up. That's real
You
money.
hear that, ladies?
Check the wrist, them
Better
heels
hear
turning,
it.
that's
And niggas.
my Audemars like
Let's
Mardi
believe
Gras,
that.
that's Swiss time and that's
That's
I ain't
right.
nothing nice, boy. I heard you.
Puppy right here.
Let's go walk around the front door.
Let's go. Peace
Lambo,
out, people.
Mercy, Lago, she go wherever I